Imagine powering up your mornings with a superfood. Oats are not just delicious, they're incredibly beneficial, especially for diabetics. In this video, we'll explore how oats can help manage blood sugar levels and how to enjoy them in 3 delicious ways. Oats are a whole grain filled with nutrients. They contain soluble fiber, which helps slow digestion. This slows the release of glucose into the bloodstream. Let's break down how to include oats in your diet effectively. First, we have oatmeal. Start your day with a warm bowl of traditional oats. Simply cook oats in water or milk. Top with some berries and a sprinkle of cinnamon. The fiber from oats and the antioxidants from berries create a balanced breakfast. Next, let's talk about overnight oats. Combine oats, yogurt, and your favorite fruits in a jar. Refrigerate overnight. In the morning, you have a quick, tasty snack packed with nutrients. This is an easy breakfast option that's ready when you are. Lastly, oats can make a great addition to smoothies. Blend oats with spinach, banana, and almond milk. You'll have a creamy, nutritious drink perfect for any time of the day. This is a simple way to sneak oats into meals without compromising flavor. Oats are versatile and easy to incorporate into meals. They help regulate blood sugar and keep you feeling full longer. Remember, aim for steel-cut or rolled oats over instant varieties for better health benefits. To summarize, oats offer 3 delicious ways to support a diabetic-friendly diet. Make oatmeal, prepare overnight oats, or blend them into smoothies. Try these recipes and experience the benefits of oats for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more food tips. Share your favorite oat recipe in the comments below.